I have an enormous wasp's nest up in the eaves of my house. Should I be worried? That is an enormous nest. And I will tell you that when I saw it at first, I was terrified. Because we've been taught our whole lives that having a nest like that is dangerous anywhere near your home. Now, I've had instances where I've had bees actually go into the side of my home, like build into the wood siding, and that is an issue because it can do damage to the siding of the house, and it can cause other problems, including water damage. But for this, it's in the faucet. It's all vinyl siding. And I have a garden right over here. That's all my tomato plants. And the one thing that we want when we're gardeners is we want the predatory insects to come in and set up residence. Well, if we want that to happen, then we also need to understand what that really looks like. So if I want the predatory wasps to take care of my tomato hornworms that are going to come here and probably within the next 2 to 3 weeks, then do I need to be okay with that? I would love to hear your thoughts on how you are setting up your ecosystem in your garden and what fears and concerns you may have about allowing those predators to come in and take up residence in your yard. Thanks again for joining the Determined Indeterminate Gardener. We look forward to your comments and to having a great discussion on this topic of predatory insects and their homes in your yard. Goodbye.